Hi all, it's been a while, but I'm back with another tips and tricks video for you. How often do we need to clamp our edges together while glue dries, or just to hold while we're stitching? Well, these little clamps here are great, they're good and strong, but they leave marks on your leather. The solution is to get a piece of scrap like this. It's just a strip the same width as your clamp, see, just like that, with a little hole stamped on both ends so that you can just slide it on there like that. And then, now you've got a padded way to hold your leather without causing teeth marks or indent marks from your stitching. Super simple, super easy, and you can do it with scraps in your bin. Thanks, hope this helps.